As long as the employees are getting paid, then it helps boost the economy, and then we make more money. When the economy drops, it's hard for us to continue to make money, and a lot of times during those times we actually don't make a profit. So it's hard to pay the employees, which of course we always have, but it makes it a little more tough. It's extremely important. If you don't buy American, then our economy is not going to flourish.
You know, us small businesses have it harder than, I think anyway, than the large corporations. You know, we need everybody to be working around us to be our customers. So the more you buy America, the more of these people, our customers, are working, and they can come eat with us. It's really important.
We talk about jobs, however, you know, that really represents families. That's somebody that can provide better for their family because of the jobs that they have here, whether they're directly working for the McWane companies or whether they're working for a company that provides services or products to them. It gives them an opportunity to provide better for their family, and that's really what it's about. We promote buy local all the time. So Buy America just makes sense, and we work with our existing industry because, you know, it's wealth creating. It creates wealth. Manufacturing, the basic industries create wealth. That's what creates the ability to have the other businesses, the commercial and retail businesses, is because of our manufacturing base we have here. And you know, the Buy America just continues to grow that industry or those industries and just continues to provide more for our economy, and like I said, provides jobs for people to provide for their families. It's our philosophy and our belief that manufacturing does create wealth. Manufacturing is what creates those rooftops and pocketbooks that retailers are looking for. And if a company has employees that provide, you know, a company provides, you know, the basic industries is what we work to recruit. Our manufacturers are our backbone, and we continue to see, you know, we may have lost over the last several years in our economy locally thousands of jobs, but our manufacturing continues to grow. We have held steady over the last probably 5 years and had some growth in our manufacturing. We've had announcements from the McWane companies, whether it's Tyler Union or others, that we continue to see growing, and that continues to be the basis of our economy, is our manufacturing. We've seen in the late 90s, I guess, when they closed McClellan, at one time McClellan had 10,000 troops there, and that left. We saw the growth at one point of the Anniston Army Depot. In the last 5 years, we've seen some reduction in our government employees. But because of our manufacturing base has kept our unemployment rate from skyrocketing. We see growth in our automotive sectors in the region. We see growth in a lot of our manufacturing, and that's what kept us from seeing those double-digit unemployment rates, because of the manufacturing.
What MNHVL helps us to do is to provide program services for our young people in all of our communities for the after-school programs that I mentioned. Certainly we do all the various things from academics to health and wellness, and as well as character and leadership development, technology, just many things as far as recreational sports, but just really trying to help our young people to become productive and caring citizens. They're absolutely one of our strongest partners here in the community, and have been for several years. One of the stronger partners in making sure that we're able to provide the services and the opportunities that our young people certainly need and able to take advantage of, and which just kind of helps to level the playing field for many of our young people. But they are absolutely very, very strong, great, wonderful partners.
We service the entire county, Calhoun County, which is about 120,000 residents, and that encompasses several small cities. But we impact about 10,000 lives a year through our programs and services across our entire service area. Calhoun Union and M&H Valve have been amazing partners with the YMCA. M&H Valve just came on a couple years ago for our annual support campaign, and they help us out tremendously. Calhoun Union we've had a relationship with since about 2007, and they've provided memberships for their employees to come and work out free of charge, so they get free access to the Y. And then beyond that, Steve Johnson serves on our board, and so to that end, he's been able to get Calhoun Union to donate significantly to our annual support campaign to the tune of about $25,000 over the last 5 or 6 years.
Yeah, it's a great thing. It gives us more jobs, good for our economy. It's good for our families, our homes. It's a good idea, yes. Well, that's why I'm here today. I had my own cabinet shop, and the economy at the bottom it fell out, and I was struggling just to pay bills and to get work, and then I came here and put application in and been here ever since. But I have some friends that not only me, but they shut their shop down too because of the economy was bad. But since I've been here, it's been good. Shoot, it provides everything. Your job, it provides the way of living, my life. This job is my life. It pays my bills. It keeps me going. This job, it's my life right now. Yeah, exactly. It helps everybody. Buy American, it helps everybody. Everybody in the area, everybody in the community. It provides everybody for everybody. It makes everything better. It makes everything different. The worry, the stress. It's good to get up in the mornings and know that I've got a job. That I can come to work, bring a check home Friday, and two, I enjoy working here. I love everybody here, like family, and we all work together. We stick together, and we do our best. We do our best in each department in here. I believe I can say that everybody in here we do our best that we can do. We need to buy American. Everybody needs to support us, support America. We need to support it and back it up. A good paying job is hard to find. It is hard to find in this area. And I'm very fortunate to have the one I got. Very fortunate to have this job. And we need to make all of our parts here in America. And that will provide jobs itself. And the more jobs we have, the more American people can have to do. We don't need to have, I wish we could have a lot more of our stuff that we get from China here, but we don't. We get some of our bigger bodies that are poured and casted. I think a lot of them come from China, and I wish we could pour them here. That would just open up opportunities and more jobs here.